Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Breakfast at Tiffany's, where we love to shop 24/7. So when I was at Target, I found the toy mini brands. They had like 5 left. So I grabbed one because, as you know, I've been looking for these. And so I'm going to open this and we're going to see together what I end up getting. So this is what the packaging looks like. Unbox all new mini brands. So you always go down the zipper and there's a little perforated line that makes it easier to open, supposedly. So I have a looking for mini brands video, and I have an opening mini brand series 2 video, so you'll have to check those videos out. And I can do more searching for mini brand videos if you'd like, because then you get to see like also what toys are available at Target. And I used to show the toys that were available more often when I used to shop for squishies when I first started this channel. So the mini brands toys are white. The mini brand series 2 is gold. So let's see what my first one is. I have a checklist and I have the world's smallest Rubik's Cube. Look how cute it is. Now, some of these toys they say actually work like little toys, but I don't want to open mine because it's so adorable. So I'm going to put that aside, and I'm going to show you all the toys at the end. So if you want a better look, you'll see it at the end. So next, I got this little robot, and he's remote control, and he's so cute. I love it when it's a toy like in their little box. And I'll probably keep him in the box too because I think it's so adorable. And wouldn't these toys look so cute like for Barbie? Barbie could be like at the toy store and these would be like real toys for her. Okay, so Crayola, super cute little box of crayons. How adorable. I love this. So far I love all these because it's adorable, and I was hoping I don't get the hula hoop because I don't know, out of all of them I think the hula hoop's kind of not as fun. So this is like a little car set, but nothing against the hula hoop. I just think it doesn't like really look like a hula hoop. It's like a little circle, and I'm hoping I don't get that. But so far I've got really cute ones. I'm trying to find the little pool. Oh my gosh, look how cute. It's like one of those for real pets. It's a little llama. It's so cute. Okay, so I don't know if this is my favorite or the Rubik's Cube is my favorite. I don't know, I think this is. Look how adorable. It is so adorable. So I got those two. I got these two. And then I got the Rubik's Cube. I think I hit the jackpot. And then now I'm going to show you the checklist. It shows all the ones you can get, and there are special ones. So there's one I got. There's the other one oh, they have fingerlings. You can get fingerlings. Dinosaurs. There's that hula hoop. You can get a little Ninja Turtle mask. I think if I got one of the JoJo Siwa items, that would be fun. And a little Dora the Explorer doll. There's a JoJo Siwa bow, maybe? Or headband. It's hard to tell. It's so, like, little. And then it says the special ones are gold. The super rare ones are gold. Look, they have a gold Rubik's Cube, y'all. I want that. Or you can get the glow-in-the-dark ones. So I think, like, if I got another one, maybe I'll get a gold Rubik's Cube. Oh, and look at the little mini brand. You can get a mini brand. They're metallic. Oh, so they got gold, metallic, or glow-in-the-dark. And then here's all the common ones. Oh, my llama is common. Well, I like it. So, let me know which is your favorite if my comments are on. And just so you know, I appreciate my comments. I appreciate the sweet comments you guys leave. But lately, there's been a lot of people advertising in my comments. So I had to turn it off for a little while. But I will turn them on eventually. So subscribe if you're new. And thanks so much for watching.